I love that over here.
So
we over here, we
cool.
boogieing out, and then Taylor and Kailani over there just kind of chilling out over there.
What are they doing?
All right, welcome back to Island Life Live. Let's talk tech with our Ohana from La Pietra, Hawaii School for Girls. This is Taylor Fernandez over here, TechZone instructor, coach, and Kailani Kim, a 7th grade student from La Pietra. Thank you guys so much for joining us.
Thank you.
All right, Taylor, let's start with you. La Pietra has an upcoming event that blends cutting-edge technology and family-friendly activities. Tell us all about it.
So this is going to be our 2nd annual Tech and Family Fun Fair. This is going to be on March 8th from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. And basically what it's about is showcasing, innovation technology. It's going to be hosted at our beautiful campus, La Pietra Hawaii.
Lovely campus.
La Pietra Hawaii School for Girls, on the peak of Diamond Head. And then, it's going to be a great event. Bring the family, bring the ohana. It's free.
No, I was going to say, did you mention that it's free?
Yes, it's free. And
We like free.
Yep, it's open to the public as well. So,
cool.
bring everyone.
Beautiful. And Kailani, 7th grader, yes? Tell us a little bit about what you've been doing in STEM and how this program has been doing such great things for La Pietra.
I've been doing so much in STEM. So first off, I've been starting with robotics, which I've been innovating and building robots. It's really, really fun. But when I first started, I started with this Lego kit, and that just basically built my path into robotics and STEM.
I love
So
it.
fun.
Can we see some of that action?
Yeah, you actually brought a couple of your classmates. So if we can, there they are working on the robot. So Kailani, explain to us what's happening over there.
So right now, they're adjusting some changes, and they're screwing in some part, and they're tightening it too. So they
How
can
fun is
drive
that,
it.
sister?
I
Honestly,
know.
let's be honest.
Yeah.
To be a wahine and working in STEM and being able to build in a field that a lot of people say is mostly for men.
I know.
What's that like?
Why
Girls
you
can
giving
do
me stink
anything.
eye? No, I saw that hidden treasure.
Hidden meanings?
No, that astronaut movie.
Oh yeah. Hidden treasure. She's a hidden treasure right
know what
here.
I'm saying.
But tell us what that's like for you, Kailani.
For me, oh my God, it's been so fun.
Yeah?
It's been a little difficult. I've been having some rocky moments when building robots and stuff. But at the end, it all comes in one piece. I just love it so much.
Also,
yeah.
learning these technical skills and then also probably some patience. Taylor, kind of expound on that. What else are the students learning?
So basically, when it comes down to it, like Kailani was saying, when it came to the Lego Spike Kit, they learned the basic fundamentals of robotics, right? Which is design, build, programming, and even working together as a team. I did warn them. I said, you will experience moments where it's like, like anything else in life, right?
Yeah.
And I tell them, I said, hey, life gives you challenges. When you're working on your robot, it will give you challenges, but what you need to do is just push through it, and you're gonna conquer all. So they learn, of course, teamworking skills, learning how to, go through difficult challenges, right? And from there, it's really cool because you can see them build their own independency too.
I love that. We're actually seeing them in the remote control.
Yep.
Doing that thing.
They built it, they adjusted it, and now it's taken over the studio.
Yeah, I love it.
Better watch out.
Yeah. Before we wrap up, I want to talk about the La Pietra. Technology isn't just a tool; it's an opportunity for discovery and creativity. Tell us about the TechZone. This sounds fun.
Yep. So TechZone is basically a dynamic space where students can explore esports, robotics, 3D printing, virtual reality, even simulation, right? So one of the key points of TechZone as well is, we want to simulate things, right? Because what happens in simulation, it goes into the real world. So one of our biggest main things in TechZone is our flight simulator. So that will be showcased.
So we're actually looking at video right now.
Yep.
Is that it?
Yes, that's it right now.
Wow.
So we have one of our student pilots. Her name is Heather Smith. She actually just became a private pilot as well. So she can take you. She can take you to go to Maui. You guys can go anywhere.
Awesome.
Yeah, she just became a private pilot. She was utilizing the she was utilizing the simulator to practice her flight.
Beautiful. I mean, we're starting to see that all of this technology is coming out into the real world after graduation, but we get a chance to experience it at the Family Fun Fair.
Yes, so the Tech and Family Fun Fair, one of the key takeaways over there is going to be our TechZone. So TechZone is going to be moved to the beautiful gymnasium at La Pietra, and we're going to have, like I said, we're going to have the flight simulation, we're going to have racing simulation, VR experience. We're even going to showcase laser cutting. So if you look right here, La Pietra has their own laser cutters with the acrylic that you can purchase from the tech fair. And then we're gonna also have like esports, a lot of cool opportunities to look at technology.
Very awesome.
Yeah.
So March 8th, it's free. What time?
It's gonna be from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m.
On the campus of La Pietra.
Yep, it's gonna be amazing.
Right.
Yeah.
Free family fun.
Yep.
All right, Taylor Fernandez and Kailani Kim from La Pietra, Hawaii School for Girls. We're going to take a quick break, but before we do, it's National Toast Day.
Oh.
I love toast. And the word toast comes from the Latin word torere. I know I said I'm wrong. Kailani is giving me that look right now. but by the way, what does that word mean? Does it mean char, crisp, crust, or burn? The answer coming up right after the break.